How to schedule an Instagram post. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks. Today I'm going to show you how we can schedule a post on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app and log into your account. In order to get access to scheduling, your account must be a professional account. That is, you should either have a business account or a creator account. Now to schedule a post, simply tap on the plus button at the center of the screen and select the content that you want to post. Click on next and if you want to add some text, music, you can add in there and hit next again. Now write in the caption, add location or tag people. Now after the post is ready, scroll to find more options and tap on it. There you can see an option to schedule this post. Toggle the option and you can select date and time when you can schedule the post. And that's it. You can just hit schedule and your post will be scheduled for whenever you want. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more similar tech content.